This is our latest little 1970 custom paint to sample mango metallic green 280 SL. This particular 280 SL has been Restomodded, so that's why you see all the gauges look the same, but it's got African zebra wood instead of the normal Sobrano wood. Sound system is tucked away nicely. And we'll take a look under the hood. Under the hood is a 3.0 liter M103 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. We retain the custom bracketing to retain the OEM radiator. Electric fans on the car, of course. Air conditioning is also added to the car, but for the most part everything looks stock and fits under the hood. All the gauges have been backdated, so all the gauges work. Wheels have also been upgraded, 17-inch wheels with Michelin proxy tires all the way around. Sway bars are added as well. Get a better look at the color, I think. You can kind of see it there better. Next, we'll do a little driving video to show you just how well this little car drives.